Hi, this is Becky from STEMeetsU. Today I'm gonna introduce data security. As now you're watching this video, you must know how to surf the internet and watch video on YouTube. So you must know what is data security. Data security is keep data safe from accidental damage, prevention of data loss. And privacy is different. It restricts access to personal data to avoid being seen by unauthorized people. For integrity, in making sure that the data is correct or valid or accurate and up to date. So how can we prevent from security threats? There are several security measures. The first one is account and password. Data can only be seen after login. The second one is firewall. Is examine the traffic between the computer and the internet. Check whether incoming or outgoing data meets a given set of criteria. Block the traffic if the data fails to meet the criteria. Prevent access to certain undesirable sites. Help to prevent virus and hackers. Send warning if some software is trying to access an external data source. The third one is antivirus software. It checks software before they run on the computer and compare possible virus against a database of known virus. Carry out heuristic checking and correcting files which are possible infected. The next one is encryption. Data are scrambled, so they cannot be understood unless the decryption key is given. So from this example, the hardware is scrambled unless you have the given key. Then let's go to data integrity part. Actually, data integrity are separated in two parts. One is validation and another one is verification. So what is validation? Actually, validation check if the data entered is sensible, reasonable, or acceptable. There are several types of validation. One is range check, format check, length check, or present check, and so on. And what is verification? Verification check if the entered data exactly match the original data. And there's also some example of verifications. That's visual check, double entry, and parity check. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.